How to change the language on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Zoom PC easy. So first thing you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on my account. Now after you click on my account, go down and search for language right here. Now go and click edit, and right here you will be able to change any language from those here. For example, Espanol, Dutch, and you have French, Italiano, Polski, Turkish. It's very easy, and after you choose, just click on it like this and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.